don't check who is watching. They don't worry what will people say. They just show up with unlimited confidence. They try first and think later. They sing loudly. They dance freely. They dream very, very big. Sometimes they amaze us with talent that leaves us speechless. Sometimes they keep us extremely alert. But always they believe in us. They believe that when they look into the audience, they will see proud parents. They will see smiling teachers. They will feel safe. And that belief is powerful. Because when the child feels supportive, no stage is really big for them. No dream is too far. No fear is too strong. Here at Tenbroeck, we go way beyond academics. We build courage, we build confidence, we build character. And tonight, we celebrate that spirit. With immense pride and great excitement, I welcome you all to Tatva, the 4th annual day celebration of Tenbroeck Academy. Yesterday, the auditorium, our soccer field, transformed into something magical, mesmerizing, and almost mystical. And tonight, we promise you the magic continues. You are truly in for a treat, trust me. This evening is titled Tatva, Echoes of the Elements, an evening where art, expression, and imagination come together as a reflection of the beautiful academic year that has unfolded. To formally begin this evening, I now invite our chief guest with all our dignitaries to come up on stage for the lighting of lamp.
दीपज्योति परं ज्योति दीपज्योति जनार्दन शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुखसम्पदः द्वेषबुद्धि विनाशाय आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते आत्मज्योति प्रदीप्ताय ब्रह्मज्योति.
The lamp symbolizes knowledge, positivity, and the light of learning. May this light guide tonight's celebration. With the lamp lit, we begin this evening by seeking divine blessings.